In this project, you need three tools. First one is a Spring Tool Suite. ID is where the our application will be developed. And to check the all the APIs, we need a Postman. And to saving the database, we need a MySQL database. So I'm using these three things. If you are using other IDs, you can use that as well. There is no problem at all. So first of all, just Spring Tool Suite. Make sure run as administrator if you are a first time user to get avoid the all the error which might be get occurs. Okay, so run as a administrator, and after this you need a Postman which is already installed in my system. So open the Postman. At the same time, we also need a MySQL database. So as you can see here, the MySQL workbench is already installed. Open it. Okay, so these are the tools we need. So let's come here. It will take some time. Postman. Okay, here you have to check the all the related APIs and the MySQL. As you can see here in the MySQL, where the all the database will be present. See, this is the database. Okay, let me open this. It will take some time. We'll come back soon. This is the interface you will be getting when you are open the Spring Tool Suite ID. Why I'm suggesting to use a Spring Tool Suite ID? Because this is the very familiar with the Spring Boot project. Okay, this is the, familiar with the Eclipse as well. So you have to use this. So let's creating the project first. How to create the project? Let me tell you. First of all, as you can see here, we will getting the package explorer where we will suggest that create a Java project, create a Maven project, create a new Spring starter project, import a Spring getting startup content and related things. But if you're using Eclipse, you can import the project. How to creating the project in Eclipse? You have to go to the Chrome and search a Spring project or a Spring initializer, and there you have to create the project. How we will creating the here, and after this you have to import the project using this options. Okay, let me tell you what I'm trying to say. So here, first of all, we have to create the Spring project. So you can creating here as well. If you are not getting a option here, so before the you can just control N and the search a Spring Starter project, which is for the Spring Boot project. As you can see here, you will be getting a Spring Starter project. Select this. After this, click to the next. Before that, you will be having a proper internet connections if you are a first time user. Okay, because it will take some time to add all the dependency which you need to implement the Spring Boot project. Okay, so click to the next. After clicking here, as you can see here, the previous one is already present, which is our notes management system, but I'm here using a contact management system. So this is the our project name will be a CUNTACT contact management system. Type is a Maven, and the package will be Java, and the language will be Java, and the version is a 17. If you are having a greater one, you can use that as well. If you are having a lesser one, you can use that as well. There is no matter at all. After this, you have to select the group ID. Here is a org.jsp. I'm using here a coding pills. If you want to use some other group ID, you can use that as well. Coding pills. Okay. Artifact ID here is a sorry, the spelling is UNTSCT contact management system. Okay, artifact ID is a contact management system. Make sure you did not have a space here. Version is this, and the description here is saving the contacts. Okay, operations of contact. Okay, This is the different. This is the descriptions which I wrote, and the package here is org.springboot.node management system, which is not related to this project. So let me take some related now. So org.springboot. Uh, what we need to, okay, contact management system, CUNTACT, contact MANADEMENT management SYSTM system. Okay, this is the name of the package, which will be our parent package. After this, click to the next button. Just click to the next. Or else, instead of org to the Spring Boot, you can here also provide the coding fields as well. Anyway, the Spring Boot contact management system is also right. No problem at all. Click to the next. And the beauty of the Spring Boot tools, it will be providing the adding the all the dependency from here only. You will not go to the any Chrome browser to add all the dependency which you needed. So in this project, I will need a Spring Data API, MySQL driver, the Spring Dev tools, and Spring Web. These four will be needed here. So let's select a MySQL driver to configure uh, the database related things, the Spring Data API to deal with the database, how to get all the data, how to save all the data related things will be getting by the Spring Data API. Spring Web provide uh, the HTTP related things, and the Spring Dev tools which help to develop the our applications. These four is needed. As you can see here, we will be having a Lombok theme leaf, and there are multiple dependency is here available. Okay, so I'm not using Lombok here. If you are experienced one, you can use a Lombok as well. Before using a Lombok, you have to install it in your system. After this, you can select the Lombok and you will be getting a shorter option of the annotations. Okay, so I am not using here a Lombok. And after this, go to the next, and same as here, you have to finish it. See, it will take some time to create the project, but in my system, it will not take because it's not a first time user. If you are a first time user, it will take some time. Okay, make sure you will be having a proper internet connections. And after this, this all the things is done. As you can see, we will getting a proper Spring Boot structure. Okay, and here, as you can see here, pom.xml, where all the dependency will be present. If you are forget to add the dependency, you can adding the dependency inside of this dependencies. Okay, inside of parent dependencies, you can add the dependency which you need to add it. Okay, and after adding, you just click to the Control S and saving. In the time of the saving, you will be getting all the dependency inside of the Maven dependency package, where all the related dependency will be present. Okay, and I told you, I said you, okay, I told you that you can use a lesser version of the Java as well. As you can see here in the Java version, the mention is 17. If you are using a lesser one, you can use it here. Let's suppose if you're using a JDK 8 or Java 8, you can use here 1.8. So it will be give you the JDK 8 as well. So I'm using here a 17. So let's use the 17 as well. Okay, as you can see here, if you want to a greater one, you can provide the greater one as well. You can use a 21. If you want to use 25, you can use that as well. But I'm using a 17 here, so let it be 17. Okay, so just close this. Don't save it. Takes it as it is. If you want to save it, you can save. If whatever the changes you have, you will be getting here. Okay, after this, as you can see here, there are too many structured here. SRC main Java, where the our source variable, source folder will be present. After this, you can see that SRC main resources, where the all the configuration related to database or any services related configurations will be present inside of this SRC main resources. where we'll be having a static templates and application dot properties. In the application dot properties, you can provide the MySQL database related configuration here, and the SRC main Java where all the where all the source code will be present. So as you can see here, currently we will be having one thing that is a Spring Boot dot contact management system, which is the our parent package. Inside of this, we will be having a contact management system application dot Java where the our application start to execute. Okay, and this is our testing related things. This is the libraries which is present to and which is help to creating the our project map and dependency. The dependency which is added to all the related things will be present here. These are the things we'll be having here. And this and the next video we will be give you the overview what are the projects we need in this project. We'll discuss in the next videos. Okay, that's all about in this video. Thank you for watching Coding Pills. Just like taking small pills of knowledge every day.